Today in this video, we're going to show you how you can make honey sesame drumsticks in the oven. It's delicious. Let's get started. We have here 3 tablespoons of raw honey. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And a 1/2 tablespoon of sesame seeds. What we're going to do next is we're going to stir it all together. And next we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. In this case, we're using olive oil here. And stir it all together. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Okay. You want it to be kind of like not too runny, but not too thick as well. Something like this. We're gonna apply the drumsticks with the marinade. Okay, we have it marinated. Now we're gonna put it on the pan. We're gonna spray some cooking oil. Now we're gonna put the drumsticks in there. And lastly, we're gonna just apply just a little bit more of the marinade. Next, we're gonna put it in the oven now. We're gonna put it in the oven for 400 degrees for a total time of 40 minutes. Okay, we're gonna close it, and halfway, around 20 minutes, we're gonna pull them out and add just a little bit more of the marinade, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, and now we're going to take it out and flip them and marinate it again. Looking good. Now we're going to flip it. And now we're going to marinate the other side. We're done marinating, and now we're going to put it back in for the last 20 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back. It's been a total of 40 minutes, and now we're going to take the chicken out. Ooh, it's really hot. There we go. Look at that, looking good. Okay, let's put it on the plate. There you go. Looking wonderful. Sprinkle a little bit more of sesame seeds. Okay, this is what we have today. Honey, sesame, chicken drumsticks. Give it a try, it's delicious. Thanks for watching, and give this video a like. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!